Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends, traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin from Forex Trading for Beginners. And if you're new here, I would like to welcome. Welcome to an opportunity that is not for everyone. I'm going to be completely honest. So I'm going to give you an introduction to trading, how easy it can be, by showing you some of the methods I use and some of the people I mentor use. If you are new here, please go to the guide section above, click on guides and Forex Trading for Beginners, and make sure you look for me on the beach in Thailand. If it's not me, it's some other group with a similar name. You're looking for me on the beach in Thailand. My name is Jeff Goodwin, and I'll share my screen right now. Here we go. So this is the group I was talking about, ladies and gentlemen. This is the group. Forex Trading for Beginners. 8,000 members, can't be wrong. Thailand, my laptop, me. That's where I'm right now. I'm going to test the charts there on Forex Trading Instruments. I am from the UK. We have the Great British Pound. I'm going to compare Great British Pound against United States dollar, but I'm also going to do other things. And if people really want, I can even go and test it as well. We're testing on a 3-minute time frame. Say that again. We're testing on a 3-minute time frame. So it's almost like it's now. This line represents the end of the day and the start of a new day. I want to go back in time. That represents a day and the end of a new day. That's the end of a day and the start of a new day. These colors represent buy or sell. Green means a buy, that pink and red means a sell. Yep. This is the price of the trading. I've highlighted out because I'm going to show you how powerful the people that learn to trade like me, Jeff, trade like Jeff, we're all part of a much larger group. And we trade together. We learn together, we trade together, and we earn together. This is an important part. So I'm just going to uncover the charts. I've got something hidden up here, and I've got something hidden here. I'll just slowly show you the charts from yesterday. Remember, this is the 3-minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, the red means a sell, the green means a buy. The red means a sell, the green means a buy. The red means a sell, the green means a buy. And I've other stuff in there as well. We have an entry strategy, and we have an exit strategy inbuilt. And we also use this here, this is an amazing tool here, to assist. And the people who know about divergence, we have some inbuilt features into this also. You might also notice something called a dynamic line here. This also assists me. I'm going to exit and enter a trade. Here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Price, first of all, has been coming down. It's been coming down. And then starts to turn. So when it changes into the new day, this is this line here, there's a wick here. This is the open price. I draw a line. That's all I do. I draw a line. Up, it comes down. And coming down, good. So can you trade that? Yes, you can. Now think about how much money you make from the bank. How much money do you make from the bank on an annual basis? That red line tells me there to enter the trade. Enter the trade there. Where do I put my stop loss? Just above there. Let me push this out, see. So it's as clear as I can be. Yeah, put it just above that line there. Yeah, that line there.
So you're on the fence about joining my $7 program.
And that goes to the line, then I simply exit the trade. First trade on the 3-minute time frames, 2%.
I can assure you that it is not. Everything that's
2%.
is actually in $7 program. You don't have to upgrade. And so I thought that I would just take you behind the curtain just so that you can see for yourself.
I'm going to delete this, ladies and
So
gentlemen.
as you can see, I have this.
Did it in that zone, the first zone.
Step-by-step organized.
We then move to a green zone.
So that you know exactly
Market
what
goes
you
up.
need to do. So
It goes above this line here. There's got some volume built into this. Goes above this line here. Enter the trade. Now we have this thing here. It's a potential danger zone here. So we have choices. We have rules. We have the magic line. Here we're below the magic line. But we've got one here that says yes. The green says yes. And this says yes. I'll just show you.
And I make it super easy to cancel. Okay, so there's no
that there is the entry candle there. Boom. And it goes to the moon.
So that I can actually look at your ads to
Yeah.
make sure that you're implementing all of these strategies.
So let's look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at this right there.
Projections, everything that you need to know about.
Here we go. Where do we put this? Just at the bottom of the snap. Is that special box here? And ladies and gentlemen, it goes to the moon. 3.76%. It starts coming back down. Exit the trade there. Exit the trade there. Thank you very much. We'll say 2.5%. Yes, it has been more. Let's say 2.5%. I'm going to do this by zones. I'm going to do it trading by zones, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to delete that one. And now hit a red zone. Remember, 3-minute time frame, normal candles. Boom. That tells me there I can sell. That tells me I can sell. But guess what? We don't enter the first one. We do a retrace. This tells me we do a retrace. And as you know about trading, it goes up and it goes down. And here we go. And that tells me don't enter today, but let's count as long as it's 3 out of 4. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. Boom. Here we go. Enter the trade. Let's take this out so we can see the risk to reward. Where do we put this? We put it on the other side of this. Or maybe even just a little bit higher, just in case, because it's been, if you notice there, if you really want to be ultra conservative, you could put it above this line here. Yeah. Let me be realistic for a minute. It's coming down, the red line's red. So let's just put it above there. It goes down, goes back up. You're thinking, oh my, have I made the right decision? Goes down and comes back up, comes down, goes back up, and you're seeing it there, and you see it coming down fast. And I'll probably exit there with the matrix, but it hits that line there, 2.75%. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 3-minute time frame. We now hit a green zone. This is part the people, because I trade inside a group live every single week, but these people have access to bite-sized videos. These people all have access to all other videos of this. They too have learned to trade like Jeff. I'm offering to new people here who too can benefit. So here we go. Matrix turns green. We look up. It's coming down. It goes up. It comes down. Oh, this is a retest. Think. Wait for the retest. It comes down. The matrix is green. Got the retest on the magic line. Here we go. Here we go. We're there. We're above it. That's the entry candle there, ladies and gentlemen. That's the entry candle there. If you miss it, that one there. Here we go. But let's just do that one there. Yeah, above it. Let's take this out. Where do we do this here? Just below that wick there. See that wick there, ladies and gentlemen? You could do it below the line, but we've got this wick. And we go to the moon. It goes up 2.5. It goes down, you start getting what you could exit there if you like. You could then re-enter. So let's just keep it going. Show you what's possible. And at that point, it goes up to the high and eventually 8% later. You cannot make that stuff. You cannot make that stuff, and eventually it comes down 7.39%. Let's call that one 7%. 7%. So let's remind ourselves. We have 2. We have 2.5. 2 points. We'll get 7. This is an example if you can trade for 1 day, full on. 1 day. 1 day, no sleep, no, but only 1 day. Red zone. Down, down, under that, down. Yes, you get this one you can wait for, but let's enter that trade right there. Take this one there. This one goes all the way down to there. Before it starts reversing. Where do I put my stop loss? You can put it there, or you can put it just the other side of that high there. See that high there? If you don't want to be, you put the other side of that wick. Ultra conservative. Let me just check. Where's my entry? Yeah, I'm going to do that wick, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Goes down there. 2 points, and it starts reversing. We have 1 green, and I said, guess what? I'm exiting the trade. Let's call that 2%. In there. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. One of my colleagues there, one of my trading trends. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We are now in a green zone. What was this? 2%. What we're calling this, ladies and gentlemen. You've seen something that's all you have to do is follow a simple system was set out for you. Here we go, ladies. Here we go. Red background 1. Below that line 2. Below that line 3. Here we go. Or you could wait until you're under here, waiting to bounce and retest. Let's see you go in that point there. The truth, you'd probably actually get in. Oh, no, you probably. Okay, the way I would probably do this, ladies and gentlemen, is that the more advanced, I would draw this. And I'll wait to go either this way or this way. And at this point, the magic line comes into its own, and that's the entry location there. So I'll probably enter right there. Here we go. Based on that, I'm going to pull that out. I'm going to show you the stop loss first. Yeah, stop loss options. You can do these wicks. You can go above there. It's up to you. Let's do that. Ultra conservative, ladies. You could put the other side of the line. You wanted a tight entry, and you could always get back in. Here we go. 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%, 6%, and counting, ladies and gentlemen. It's all the way down. 8% growth, and it's going, ladies and gentlemen. It's going. This was yesterday. This was not like the good old days of 5-10 years ago where people say trading doesn't work anymore. 12% growth. So I'm going to put 12% there. So if anybody's looking, if anybody sees something for themselves, you can get involved too. And we're almost finished. The last one, and we'll call it quits. So here we go. Here's some rules. Here we go. Green background. Above this line here, below the magic line, above this line, we can enter that trade. There, we wait. Small candle, probably enter at that one or even at that one there. But let's just say we're in the green, we can enter that one there, ladies and gentlemen, because we're above. Move that to the side. Why that one and not that one? There. Or even that one there, probably. So options. We could use that line there. Because that breaks through the magic line and eventually it settles down and you're at 2.5%. So that's me finished with yesterday's trades, ladies and gentlemen. A new system I'm putting together for new traders who too can learn to trade like Jeff. I'm offering a course for new traders. You too can come and learn with me. You too can learn with me. Now, let me just change this, ladies and gentlemen. I want to put a bit of music on. It's very specific music, and it will guide you, and it will teach you how I trade. Very simple. Just going to go back to the start of the day. All we have to do, you get normally good, all you do is you have to look at the colors. Here we go. Simple rules. Simple rules. Here we go. We have a red. We have a green. Red, green, red, all the way down. There.
There's 2 instructions. I need you to follow.
Green and red. Listen.
When I say red light, I need you to stop. When I say green light,
here we go.
I need you to go.
Red,
Green light.
green, 2, 4.5. Another 2. Call that 2.5. Yeah, 2.5 and 2.5 is 10. Sorry, what did I say? 10. 5, 7. 7 and 5. 7 and 5 is 12. Another 2, 14. Another 2. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, 16. And another 12. 28. And 2.5, 30.5%. Let's just remind ourselves, 30.5%, ladies and gentlemen, let's remind ourselves. Simple, 3-minute time frame, matrix, magic line, red, green, red, green. All the way down, red, green, red, deep sell-off, and green, and eventually red. Don't even count now. Have you seen enough? You want access? Come and learn to trade with me for 1 full week. My name is Jeff Goodwin. You can learn to trade like Jeff. Remember the group. The group is in the link of this video. Get access today. Not even asking for a credit card, a debit card, pay nothing up front. We have a cost to get involved. You too can get access to these tools free for 1 week. And if you like what it is, it's $6 a day. Around about £4. You want it, if you can, in McDonald's in America, the workers there for 13 minutes pays for this membership. You work at McDonald's for 13 minutes a day, you can have this membership. That's all I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, do yourself a favor. Do yourself a favor. I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.